Hi there, and welcome back to my channel, Fullstack Explorers. Today is the last video of our to-do series so far. In this video, we will go further and advance feature of our to-do app. We will add status functionality in our to-do app, so if a task is completed, the user can click on complete icon, and that to-do will be shown as complete. Alright, let's get started. As I'm in the same project, in to-dos.tsx file, go to Add To-Do method. In this method, in response where we are sending our to-do text through our endpoint to server side, let's add one more value, which is status:0. So whenever user create a to-do, status value will go as 1 with it. Now scroll down a bit. In JSX, where we are mapping our to-dos to UI, find the remove button where we are showing trash icon. Copy the whole button. Paste the copied button below now. And in our second button, we will change few things. First, change the remove method to is completed, which we will create soon. Don't worry about it for now. This method will also get the to-do ID value as a params too, as we will change the status according to selected to-do ID. As it will be completed button, so we will change trash icon to check icon, which will show the tick icon here. Let's create a isCompleted function above. This function will be asynchronous, with params as a to-do ID in it. We will add try catch here. In catch, we will return or throw error here as usual we do. In try block, let's make a response here. This API will be patch method from Axiod. The endpoint of that API will be same. In this method, we will send ID, which we are getting as a params. I'm using key as an ID here. Below that, we will check the response if it's 200. We will call fetch to do method here with a wait keyword. Great, let's change few UI things now. Scroll down a bit. There we are mapping our to-do UI. Wrap that class which contain the CSS with curly brackets. Change the string to tilde sign. You can find that sign mostly on your left, top side of the keyboard, below the escape button in Windows. With these changes, we can dynamically change our CSS however we want. Currently, the to-do show as background color gray 50. Let's cut that color for now. Add $sign here with curly brackets. By using these two things, we can use JS variables to change or add condition here. Let's check status here. If to-do.status is equal to 0, we will show the current color, which is gray 50. If not, we will show green color as a background here. Alright, let's create an API here. Go to index.tsx file. Below our delete API. Let's create our handler here. This will be an asynchronous handler, and the other things will stay same here. The things which will be changed here, this handler will be a patch handler. Let's add a try catch block here, return response here. In try block, the response will be null as we are not sending anything to the client side. The status will be 200 here. Let's get the ID which we are sending from client side from request.json method. Below that, we will use out to do collection, and in dot we will use update one method here, which used to update one value in the DB. The update one method will get two objects. One, check the ID from Mongodb and compare with our ID which coming from client side. Second, we will use set method which update the key value with our value. As we are updating the status here, the key will be status and we will change value as 1 for now. Let's check the changes in the browser now. Let's add some to-dos here. Click on one of the to-do. Great, it's working fine now. It's changing the color when we clicked on it. There is one issue: the color of complete button is red. Let's change that to something else. Get back to VS Code again. We'll scroll down a bit. Here in our completed button, let's change red color to lime color. Save the changes. Let's check the changes in the browser now. Great, it's looking perfect now. We are finally conclude our to-do series. There are a couple of improvements you can do it. Explore it by yourself and comment me on what you can change in current to-do app by functionality. If you know how the logic behind the scenes work, the UI will not be an issue to you guys. In next series, we will work on e-commerce project. You guys will know how to make an e-commerce site using Fresh.js project. That's it for now. If you like my series and videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video now. Happy coding!